Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today we will make the coffee and walnut ice cream. Let's start. For this we will need 2 tablespoons of hot water. Add 1 teaspoon of coffee powder and whisk it well. In another bowl, add 1 cup of whipping cream. Beat it well. Add half a cup of condensed milk and mix it well. Add in the coffee mixture. Mix it again. Add in the chopped walnuts. Pour in this mixture into a container. Sprinkle some chopped walnuts on top of it. Cover it with a lid and refrigerate overnight. The next day, it should look like this. Scoop it out and serve it and enjoy.